Here we have the table for ASCII. So when you want to use the char variable, char data type, this one, you see the difference between char and string is the quotation to represent one character, and this represent many characters in once, and this is called a string. So here you have the table and the value of decimal and what is the char value. So for example, in this variable that I show you, you have 2 of a character, which in decimal, so we find 2 here, and you see that the decimal for this is 50. So this is how you can read the table. You find the character you want, you can use the decimal or you can use hexadecimal, depends of you, but this is how you will need to translate if you want to use decimals and chars.